How to recover deleted text messages on iPhone. Let's get started. With the latest iOS updates, recovering deleted messages is easier than ever thanks to built-in features and iCloud. Launch your Messages app. In this page, you're gonna find the list of all the messages. Now, how can you recover the deleted messages? For that, click on the option of Edit. Click on Show Recently Deleted. With that, you're gonna find the list of the recently deleted messages. Now, you can check in for the message that you want to recover or delete. Conversation shows the days remaining before the deletion. After that time, messages will be permanently deleted. This may take up to 40 days. So you can check in for the message and click on the option of delete or recover. Select the option of your choice. If the messages aren't in recently deleted, iCloud may help. For that, close this and launch your settings app. Click on your Apple ID. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of iCloud. Click on that. Now head towards the option iCloud Backup. Make sure you have enabled iCloud Backup for your device. If you have enabled for these options, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Click on the option General. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Erase all content and settings. Click on Continue and go through the process. Once the device restarts, follow the setup steps. Select Restore from iCloud Backup and choose the backup that contains your deleted messages. This will restore your phone and include the messages from that backup. And that's it. You have got multiple ways to recover deleted messages on your iPhone. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.